Hello, good afternoon. This is Nalini Mahadevan, and we have another video today. It's about do I need a will or trust? And this is a question lots of people come to my office and talk to me about. So I thought I'd share that with you today. But why you would need a will and a trust? So let's think about it this way. If you want a legacy to be passed on to your family and friends and charitable causes that you love, then you must have a will and a trust. Otherwise, the state is going to decide for you where the money is going to go, and it may not actually be to your liking. So it's a good idea to have a will and a trust. You also want to have a will or a trust and a trust if you want to provide for your children, your spouse, and other family members. Um, and There is a necessity to have a trust if you want to avoid probate. Just having a will does not avoid probate. A will is very necessary to appoint guardians for minor children, but other than that, a trust is absolutely necessary if the main goal of your plan is to avoid probate and all the unnecessary attendant costs of probate. But with a will, with a trust, you can also make sure your sentimental items and family heirlooms go to the right people that you wanted to go to. You can take care of your pets. Now everybody has a digital presence. I mean, you have Facebook, you have LinkedIn, Twitter, bank accounts, Instagram, Snapchat. Just about and every other bill pay service that you probably have in bank accounts and all that. And so, a good plan, either with a will and a trust, will ensure that all the information that is contained in those digital accounts don't disappear. It could be your Google Photos or it could be your iCloud. Um, those are also very valuable not only to yourself but also to your family members. The other thing is, suppose you were you were in a Medicaid funded nursing home. Um, and A properly planned stay in a Medicaid funded nursing home would limit recovery from your of the family of the and the sale of the family home, emptying all the bank accounts and and selling the house by the state in order to fund and recover costs of your Medicaid health care costs. Now, yeah, let's look at if you have a retirement or some kind of IRA, individual retirement account, then a trust will help you and your children not to have a large tax burden, especially your children. When you're with a retirement account, the surviving spouse can get it tax free, but nobody else can get it tax free. So a trust really helps to prevent a huge taxes being paid the moment you pass away. But what about families with significant wealth? Now, for them, they can do some asset protection. They can protect the money that they're leaving, even if their spouse or their children remarry, divorce, or get sued, or are victims of financial predators. The other thing it can do is to prevent wasted and frivolous spending. You know, the yellow Lamborghini in the driveway moment, it can prevent that. 77% of family wealth is gone in the first generation. The other 30% is gone in the second generation. So, and it's also very well known that high net worth individuals sometimes do not speak of what their plans are to the next generation, and sometimes don't even plan. For instance, take famous people like Aretha Franklin, Michael Jackson, Pablo Picasso, Sonny Bono. I didn't know that. Bob Marley. All did not plan. Prince, they did not plan. They did not have a will or a trust. So what happened was everything that they had to be discussed in public. There was no privacy left for their heirs and their estates. Most of all, I think having a will and a trust ensures that your values are passed on to the next generation. If you have discussed all your planning or your thoughts of planning informally with your family, that is insufficient to guarantee that the money will go to where you want it to go, that the family members or the causes that you love will benefit. In order to do that, you must have an estate plan and you must talk to a lawyer. My name is Nalini Mahadevan. We are located in Clayton on Carondelet Avenue. Our phone number is 314-932-7111. Jamie picks up the phone. You can find lots more video on our website, mlolaw.llc. I'm sorry, mlolaw.us. Thank you so much.